Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the sales dashboard that is present within the reports application of KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the reports section, he or she can navigate to the sales dashboard by simply clicking on the search bar and typing in the keywords and selecting the sales dashboard from the list of results displayed. The user can also pin the report for ease of access. Once clicked, the sales dashboard is displayed. Here, in this pie chart, the opportunity status is displayed based on total value and the total count of the opportunities. The user can drill down and check the status and the amount value of each opportunity and the details of the same. Second, in this product category, the user can see the value of each line of business provided by the organization and the other statistics to be offered. In the sales chart, the actual sales planned and the actual sales which took place, along with closures, the cumulative planned sales and the cumulative actual sales can be displayed. The details view can be displayed as well. The sales probability value distributes the sales or opportunities that are present based upon the probability of closure for the same and the values for each bucket. Then, the reason call logs, the reason mails, and reason tasks are personalized for all the people within the organization and provides a list of all the logs that have been done within the organization's CRM, that is the opportunities, the accounts, and also the contacts and leads. The various issues that are present within each opportunity are displayed here, along with the ID and the opportunity name. Finally, a user personalized experience can be provided through the My Call Logs, My Tasks, My Mails, and My Notes option. This differs based on the user that is logged in. Any data that is present here can be downloaded as a report. Finally, filters can be applied in order to manipulate all the tables and charts that are present within the sales dashboard. Thank you for watching.